broke, don't fix it is an adage that could be used to describe the parking lot signs of Oklahoma City Community College, also known as OCCC. Now, what if by changing these signs, it would benefit the school and the students? Many schools now use LED and solar powered signs in their parking lots to help with the students and energy saving. They are efficient and cost friendly. Today, I will persuade you to encourage OCCC to update their parking lot signs. I will discuss the benefits to the students in the school. I will talk about the environmental effects that updating the signs will have, and I will give you some examples of schools that have already taken a step in that direction. The improved signs make a difference to the attending students. According to Ryan Brady from Brady Signs, research indicates the addition of one powerful premise sign can increase interest. Currently, this is what OCCC signs look like. People are less worried about going places if they can see the parking lot signs more visibly. Langston University has a brighter sign that will show the students where to go. The height, the letter height, and the visibility of the sign plays a huge role in getting people's interest and attention. Now, LED lights help the signs be more visibly during the day and the night. According to an article titled Off the Grid by J. Martin and D. Kaufman, signs can make the parking experience more convenient. Students can avoid parking lots that they don't trust if it's too dark or they can't find out where they're going. So using the LED and solar sites can lit the dimly lit areas and also help the students find their places. The International Sign Association states that viewable signs are community friendly. Illuminated signs provide driver safety. They help drivers see at night. They provide easier understanding, and it allows the drivers to pay attention to their surroundings more than just focusing on where they are going and how to get there. A DOT study of traffic signs shows that brighter signs are beneficial to students because they are more legible and easier to see and read. Now, there are two ways that the signs can be environmental friendly. First, there are LED lights. Second, there are solar powered. Now, the LED lights last longer than neon and fluorescent lights by 3 to 6 hours, or years, I'm sorry for that. And this was a study done by Premier Lighting. They do not contain gases or glass tubes, and unlike fluorescents, they do not contain mercury. Solar power drops the cost of schools dramatically. As you can see from up there, they are visible on your electric bill, they decrease the use on the power grid, and as the utility price goes up, the school's savings increase also. Solar power benefits students because it increases their visibility and decreases thefts and attacks because the areas are more lit, and it helps students find resources and building locations. Now, environmentally wise, it is friendly because it obtains energy from a renewable source, it reduces greenhouse emissions, and it reduces dependency on fossil fuels, which are toxic to the ozone and that cause pollution. So let's take a look at the colleges that have already started to use the LED and the solar power. Delta Community College in Michigan had a large article written by D. Schaffhauser about their going green. They installed solar power signs. They installed solar pedestrian crosswalks, like the picture on the top, that require only sunlight to operate. They need no electrical input at all. They absorb the sun's energy in a battery, and that's how they are powered. Now, these pedestrian walks cost $1,500 each, but the benefit is that the school will no longer spend money on powering them. It will pay for itself. The Delta Community College also lowered their energy by using LED signs, and it lowered the energy grid by 45%. ASU is the second university we're going to talk about. They decided to take their parking lot and cover it completely in solar panels. The picture on the bottom of the screen shows that there are smaller solar panels on top of the signs. Now, what ASU did is they updated 64 of their parking signs in order to help communicate, advertise, and provide information. Not only did the panels power the signs, but they also covered up the sun-beaten parking lot and were able to light up at night to give students more visibility. The final school that I'm going to talk about is Long Beach Community College, located in Southern California. They updated their emergency phones to be charged with solar energy. Now, the panels are on the 5th floor of the parking garage and are used to light up the lights in the parking garage and the signs. And now the students have more access to find the emergency phones in case they are needed. These illuminated signs inside the parking garage also show directions on how to get to the different places throughout the campus and the parking garage. Today I discussed why improved signs make a difference. I've also talked about why it is a benefit to not only the schools but also the students. I've talked about how using solar and LED power can benefit the environment positively. And I've shown some examples of colleges that have turned to using even small amounts of solar power in order to help their campus and their students. The signs that would get updated will help the students find their way around campus. So instead of focusing their time and energy on how to get somewhere without getting lost from point A to point B, they can focus more on their higher education that they are going to the college to receive.